I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that lives in every continent. The osprey. The osprey, also called seahawk, riverhawk, and fishhawk, diurnal fish-eating bird of prey with a cosmopolitan range. Large, mostly white raptor that cruises over lakes, rivers, and coastal waterways in search of fish. Impressively widespread, found on every continent except Antarctica. Mostly white head and underparts, dark brown back. In flight holds wings with a kink in the wrist. As its other common name suggests, the osprey's diet consists almost exclusively on fish, often seen plunging feet first into water from high in the air to grab fish. Stick nests are conspicuous on top of channel markers, utility poles, and high platforms near water. Their calls are like locally named Kuralaya or Kuralukussa. I have not seen the osprey. Did you know that Pinnavalla, the elephant orphanage located near Kandy, is Sri Lanka's most visited tourist attraction? Here you can feed elephants, see them bathe, and you can even mingle with elephants.